Hi, today I want to show you how to calculate the mass, volume and density of a substance using a simple Python script. So let's start. First I will type in print, enter 0 for the value you want to find. And the reason I am doing that is because for the unknown value I need to enter 0. So now I will new line and start the variable section. I'll say float input, enter the mass, and I will give the unit in which you have to enter the mass. And same thing for volume and density. The volume unit is going to be cubic meter, and the density is going to be kilogram over cubic meter. So now I will print a new line and say if something I missed out. Here after the M I am typing M comma Tg is equal to M multiplied by 1000 G. G means grams. I am converting to grams per centimeter cube. So print V meter cube is equal to V over 1 times 10 to the 6 cubic meter, make it cubic centimeter, and here density kg is equal to density over meter cube is equal to density divided by 1000. Here I say pp. Oh, it's like p. Which is density divided by 1000 grams per centimeter cube. Now I will say, after this new line, I'll say if m is not equal to 0 and v is not equal to 0, now print density is m divided by v kilograms per meter cube is equal to m multiplied by 1000 divided by v multiplied by 1 million grams per centimeter cube. And I will copy this. Okay, so that was for the density and the volume. And for the density and mass, we'll find the volume. That's multiplied by मैंने मिस्टेक जैसे divided by no multiplied by just volume is m divided by density and now we're done. Okay, just some examples. Enter the mass 2 kilograms. Then 100, 1,000, 10,000, let's do. Boom. And 0. Density is 0.925 grams per centimeter cube. That's the exact same value it's shown here. You know this 06938, but if I highlight it, you see it reads 0.925. Some more examples. 37. 37 mass 600 0.06 or 0.1. I want the one with the ball. Okay, mass 29 days, that's 10 100 1,000. Okay, 5 centimeter cube. 10 100,000 million. Okay, boom, 5 centimeter and density 0. Density is 78 grams per centimeter cube. That's the right answer according to the book. Now the tat. There's a tat. Funny.
Stop.
Okay, 0.0. Now boom. Mass is 3.92 kilograms. Hope you liked the tutorial. I will come up with another tutorial soon. See you then.